Views expressed in the following audiocast do not represent any institution, body, or personnel. Audiocast contains conversation explicit in nature. Discretion is advised.
बालक, शौचालय के प्रयोग के बाद फ्लश करना मत भूलना। Okay, so hello, welcome to Nadan Balak. This is episode 8, and with me is
Who's going to sit?
fuck it, I'll say it. With me is Vortex, and it's a very special episode today because we have our second guest on our very, very successful podcast. Please welcome Saurabh More.
Hey, hello.
Yes, hello, yes.
I'm sounding happy, but I'm not.
Tell them why you're not happy.
Tell them why you're not
Tell
happy.
them.
Yes, please.
So, a person coming on Nadan Balak's episode number what? 7?
Eight. Come on.
8. Traveling
He's not
around
a
what?
follower.
Guess you
1
would have.
zillion kilometers
1 zillion kilometers. Yes. We are
out of the world.
in our high-tech studio.
High-tech studio.
Yeah.
With the high-tech phone
Soundproofing.
recording this.
That's why it never echoes here.
Yeah, absolutely. But we are very happy and welcome Saurabh. Thank you so much for coming in, and it was a great gesture because nobody gives a fuck about us.
Nobody.
And Saurabh is our second guest. So Saurabh, it's a tradition. Say that you love Nadan Balak.
Yeah.
I love Nadan Balak.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Not!
Oh, he's catching up on that. Huh?
अच्छा सही. So Vortex.
Vortex.
Yes.
Vortex for my Volkswagen
Vortex.
fans.
I wanted
Vortex.
to ask you this.
Yeah.
How did you come up with this bloody name here?
I don't know, man.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's just
No, I
I just
think-
thought I'll keep it because before starting Nadan Balak, I've liked so many pages on Facebook, that upload memes and jokes, whatever. So everybody had an admin name. So pages will have multiple admins. So I used to see different names on status updates, and I thought even me and rather Bholu should have an admin name, or rather Varun.
But to tell you honestly, your name goes with the tagline Nadan Balak ka.
Yeah.
Do you know that?
No, tell me.
कैसा?
Yeah, because most of the ideas come into when you're in the toilet.
Yeah.
Most. Yeah.
शौचालय
शौचालय का प्रयोग
शौचालय.
शौचालय के प्रयोग के बाद फ्लश करते हो.
Absolutely.
When the flush करते हो पानी,
yeah.
जो पानी ड्रेन होता है.
Correct, that's
वो
Vortex, yeah. That
Vortex.
is. Oh, he's right.
Oh my god.
You're right.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Is that
I didn't even think about this.
and this is going to be a very intelligent episode.
Yeah, it's
very
very
intelligent.
intelligent.
He has come up with give a big round of applause for Saurabh More.
Good
Seriously,
applause. Yeah.
I'm so मतलब self low क्या बोलते हैं self esteem
Self-
इतना
self-esteem
low है
is so low.
Yeah,
so
very
low
low.
Yeah.
that actually research this Vortex का नाम on Wikipedia. Seriously, can you believe that?
Good shit, yeah.
Well,
I'm actually proud that I actually relate to toilet humor even more.
This is unintentional coincidence.
I was so fucking confused. बोले ये Vortex होता ही है.
Yeah, and for
पता लगा
flush.
So I could really relate it to your name.
So I thought that I'll keep my name as Vortex, and then I thought what will be the opposite of Vortex. So Bholuram was the first word that came to my mind.
How the
I don't know. It just came to my head, and I just told you. I called you, and I told you that you.
I love Bholu. I love Bholu Ram. Yes.
It's a kick. It's a hot name.
It's a hot
Bholu
name.
Ram.
I just wanted to actually. You know why I took that name?
Yeah.
I just wanted to hide my identity.
Because your real name sucks.
Yeah, my real name sucks. Yeah. So nobody likes my real name.
Nobody
so
likes
I
your
thought,
real name.
I'll just get a
So
worse.
I don't think there is any अभी नहीं नाम रखने का कुछ नहीं. But anybody knows who you guys are.
No.
Yeah.
You gave it up.
Yeah,
already.
we
gave it
In
up
fact,
in a picture,
Actually,
actually.
we also did not give it up. My inbox spams gave it up. I spammed so many
Yeah,
people
so that is
to
what
like
we
their
are-
page. That's what gave it up. Actually.
So we were having a conversation while we were waiting for Saurabh.
Yeah.
We were waiting for Saurabh outside the place where we went to pick him up, and we got him
And dragged him here.
Yeah, dragged him here.
I got voluntarily kidnapped.
Yeah, so that's Nadan Balak for you. Anyway, so when me and Vortex we were discussing. So what were we discussing while we were waiting for Saurabh?
I don't know. Will Ferrell movies.
Yeah, Will Ferrell movie. No, actually, how do you know? Acha, by the way, do you know that porn is going to be banned in India now?
Huh. That is something that we were going to discuss.
Yeah.
What is your take
What
on it?
about
What's
the
your take on it?
million girlfriends that we have here? Sabke.
No, porn is different.
No. I'm talking about those lonely individuals.
Huh?
वो क्या करेंगे मतलब how would they put their hands to use?
I think they would rather now refer to Congress.
Congress.
कांग्रेस का हाथ
And
आपके साथ.
no, and I just thought of this right now when you mentioned hand. So I know the listeners will not be able to hear this, but you'll be able to see this. So now that ball is banned, Congress is going to go like this.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Like they're holding the pipe. So what is doing right now?
Holding the pipe icon.
Holding the pipe, yes.
what I think would happen is they would still have the hand, but there won't be any lines on the hand.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
no line on the hand. No, that would be on your dick.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Actually, सविता भाभी का करियर तो शुरू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो गया.
Oh no.
Hi, Savita Abhi का बहुत चल रहा है. What is it? It's an animated series or some
It's
shit.
an
animated,
it's an animated
just like
series.
hentai.
Yeah,
I think it was a comic earlier, was it?
It was a comic earlier.
It's a comic.
And it's very famous with engineering students.
Actually, yeah, Savita Bhabhi, right.
So it's like lonely bhabis and all that.
I think it's only about one Bhabhi, right? Or is it?
Yeah, just
So
one
what?
Bhabhi.
It's about sex stories or?
Yeah, sex
yeah,
stories,
but
proper sex
there's
stories.
education as well in that.
Yeah, but,
Oh my
but
God.
the only fuck up is, that
That's something wrong with our country. Because imagine if you are in 4th standard and they're showing nude pictures of for you to study geography
yeah.
or physics, whatever. I
That would
don't
be
know.
fun actually if you understand in 4th standard what sex is.
Discovery Channel does it, I think. Because
but
you go to the
seriously,
and half the time I don't know when I change to Nat Geo, there is one animal banging another animal. It's either a giraffe or it's either a rhino
yeah,
or a
absolutely.
tortoise.
But I don't specifically enjoy animals having sex.
But I actually wanted.
Why
I
would
was-
you enjoy? The animals would enjoy it.
No, but you know what?
The only thing that I've done when animals are having sex is kick them. That gives me that sadistic pleasure. What about you guys?
No.
Oh,
I let them do that
is
thing.
sad, yeah.
But Nat Geo actually.
Now imagine somebody kicking Varun when he's humping.
Yeah.
No.
No, it's not good.
No, he said imagine, so I'm imagining. Somebody kicking you.
Oh, fuck. No. Sorry. I will not kick those
But about
dogs.
talking about animal humping, I was
What
always.
does Maneka Gandhi have to say about this?
Yeah, Menka Gandhi. Yeah.
Maneka. It's
Acha, Maneka.
Yeah, it's
It's not Menka.
No, it's not.
And the coincidence
What are you
is,
saying?
And the coincidence is her son, his name is Varun.
Oh my god.
Varun Gandhi is her son.
Yeah.
Another convict.
Yes.
क्या बोलते हैं? Coincidence.
Another convict.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Saurabh, yaar, you are going to put us in jail.
I'm getting high on coke.
Coke.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Coke.
Give me a sip also. I'll also.
What?
But talking about animal sex, I was very curious as a kid to know how crocodiles fuck. I was very serious, and one day, luckily, my father was watching a crocodile special.
What?
I don't know why. And he has whiskey every afternoon, so I don't know.
You would be amazed to know.
Yeah.
You guys would be amazed to know that crocodiles are so lucky because if you're talking about crocodiles fucking, you should know that crocodiles have a memory of 3 seconds.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's
Oh, did I
good.
fuck you?
So,
Let's get to it
no,
again.
so imagine, so Croc has his dick up once. Pussy,
Yeah.
like, oh fuck, what is going on?
What's going
How
on?
did I come down here?
Imagine a female crocodile.
Yeah.
So once she's in, she's like, who the fuck are you?
Wow, it's fun. No, it's fun. Oh, what the wait.
Oh.
Something's wrong.
Who the fuck are you? Yeah. Okay. A lot about.
Yeah, that wouldn't last though in a way. I mean, they would get on with it anyways.
But it's good,
It's
no? Then
feeling
there's no
good.
relationship ka lafda only.
Yeah,
So it's
there
like
is
a
no-
one night.
No,
It's like a 3 second stand. 3 second stand.
3 second stand. 3 second stand. Yeah. How I wish to be a crocodile. But
So you'll be only lasting 3 seconds.
dude,
Oh,
dude,
God.
it's about the memory.
You're
It's
even
the memory.
worse than Hugh Hefner. Bata dekho.
Change the topic.
No, but then again, you would be doing the 3 seconds thing like zillion times.
Yeah.
Every 3 seconds you would forget and
Yeah.
start doing it
Yes,
all
yes.
again.
Yes, I would still want to be a crocodile. Yes. Okay. All right. I've got a topic.
Enough about crocodiles. Yes.
Sanjay Dutt got,
Yet again, I think this is the last 3 episodes we're talking about Sanjay Dutt. But yeah, I saw it on the news, and then now the people are talking about the judge as to why he was biased because he's an actor.
Yeah.
So, Saurabh, what do you have to say about it? Do you have
That's
any-
fucked up, man. Seriously.
But why?
Do you think he's a
love-
convict?
Don't you love?
He's a
Sanjay?
convict. There's nothing to do with
Look at Saurabh, I said he is a convict.
He's a
वो rage cage हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing to do with you liking him or not. It's about
Yeah.
law,
Yeah. True.
justice for everyone.
Yeah. Right. But when you have 350 crores on you, I think even the
Now, what I think is fucked up is our judicial system. 20 years for a decision. That's really fucked up.
yeah, good point. It took
About
20
the bomb blast.
Yeah.
ये भी देख रहा था मैं आज.
Yes,
And
yes,
I don't give a shit about the news. I don't know.
No.
I know, there's-
But yeah, I just saw.
read
I mean, give a shit about. I mean, details. Because
Yes,
I was
yes.
busy playing Ragnarok.
And there were bomb blasts in Bangalore.
Oh yeah, now
So-
bomb blast. So Boston blast, then a blast in Iran, then a blast in Bangalore.
Yeah.
Then I think another fertilizer factory exploded in America the next day.
Okay.
Plus another bomb blast I think happened somewhere. I don't know. क्या चल क्या रहा है यार?
So it's very
It's a very sad state of
common.
affairs.
I mean, I think people would be very okay with it going further because it's going to happen like almost every day or something like that.
No, so the main question, the question that I'm coming to now is it the end of the world?
End of the world.
Yeah, morally, yes, I think. Morally, we are all dead, yeah.
Who the okay,
No,
whatever.
I think the end of the world started when Golmaal 1 released.
Dude, seriously.
Yeah.
Golmaal.
Yeah. But Golmaal 1 was still okay. Golmaal 2, I
Golmaal
think, is the
1.
worst Golmaal.
Worst Golmaal.
Which
Yeah,
made the,
no,
and then
pathetic.
the thing is, no, I am very good at gauging how the movie is going to be looking at their ad. So,
Yeah.
I always miss the fuck all movie, so thank God, So I did not put myself through Golmaal 2.
So what I do is like
Okay, so you've
I did not even want to put myself through Golmaal 3, but my friend said that John Lever did a very good job.
No,
so
but I remember you telling me that you saw the promo for Himmat Wala. I mean, how did that happen?
I saw the promo for Himmat Wala because I'm on YouTube, right? And then I was like, oh fuck, Himmat Wala. So I thought I'll just see the trailer and see what it is all about. Obviously, I knew how fuck it is going to be.
The other two people who watched the movie were the Himmat Walas.
Yeah.
In fact, there was a rumor that Sajid Khan was offering free lunch for people who were waiting until the closing credits.
Man, he's
Oh
seriously
my
fucked up,
god.
man.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not.
No, you're not. Oh god. You are so convincing in that argument.
I know
I think
that.
the next guest on our show should be Sajid.
Sajid
Yeah,
Khan.
सबसे कम low esteem.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
absolutely.
नहीं उसके हिसाब से तो शीरीष कुंदर आना चाहिए.
Oh, right.
I mean seriously.
I had मैं क्या सुना rumor
हाँ.
that they are now working on 30 Markan 2.
Oh shit.
How can they do that?
So that
Sajid
is-
Khan.
No.
You know what was the movie
तू
called?
नहीं मेरी बात सुन. Yeah, this is the end of the world.
It is the apocalypse.
The apocalypse.
30 Markan 2 will be the apocalypse.
Oh seriously.
I think
the
it will be
D-Day.
called Sat
Judgment
Marka.
Day.
It will be called Sat Marka.
Start Markan.
Yes.
I mean it's like bad joke.
Bad joke.
Very bad joke.
For everybody who did not understand. For everybody. that's the thing.
Yeah. The
30 का 60 हो गया
30
तो
का 60 हो गया,
yeah,
तो
it's
60,
added
yeah.
yeah or
Yeah.
multiplied whatever by 2.
Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Who's following
Bad
IPL?
Varun. Shut up. Bad Varun.
IPL, you're following IPL. I hate
I'm
cricket. I hate
following
everybody. My
IPL.
audience knows I hate cricket.
No,
It's on off यार. I mean I don't follow it but जब भी मैच लगता है देख लेता हूँ यार.
I just followed one match.
So who's your favorite cheerleader?
Cheerleader.
Look at his face.
The one.
Don't tell me you really like Pune Warriors cheerleaders.
Ah, you told me that they
shit.
dance in saris.
They
Yeah,
dance in
they
saris.
done Nawari.
Nawari.
Ekdam
You know what?
tamasha.
I think that Pune Warriors they're obviously not doing good. They are losing every match
Yeah.
except for one. So I think they're losing. The streak is their silent protest towards the cheerleaders.
अच्छा, by the way, मैं क्या कर रहा? नहीं, मैं क्या कर रहा?
Did you see the Sri Lanka का IPL version and their cheerleaders?
No, I didn't.
Oh freak! You missed it.
I heard
No, I heard about the league,
I
but-
heard about BPL. You know, Bangladesh Premier League.
Bangladesh Premier League. So all these countries are coming with their own Premier Leagues, but
Yeah.
highlight was Sri Lanka's Premier
Oh,
League.
I think they had Salman Kok as their
He just really
brand ambassador for Sri Lanka.
yeah. He
Yeah.
did. And there was a huge क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Fan following.
नहीं fan following नहीं उसका controversy हो गया था because
That's okay, Salman
on the
Khan is going
humanitarian
mental
base
anyway.
वहाँ पे तमिल का जो हो रहा है situation
Yeah.
they were protesting against Salman going there and doing that and
So, but
all
why
shit.
the
But
fuck
Salman Khan
no,
anyway-
I don't understand that. Why the fuck would Sri Lanka protest against an Indian? I mean,
No, Indians are protesting
Indians
against
were
Salman
protesting.
Khan.
The
उधर
Tamilians-
Indians को ऐसा कर रहे हैं then Salman Khan.
So the Tamilians were getting offended.
But yeah, man, dancing in saris, and unless it's Shilpa Shetty with water on her,
Yeah.
and really, you know
So
that,
if they're dancing on sarees, let them get wet at least, yeah.
Yeah.
or Ravina Tandon,
Yeah. Right.
but now she's like really.
Or
fat.
maybe Tushar Kapoor. Have you?
Come on, sari का बात चल
Tushar
रहा है. What
Kapoor
the
in
fuck?
sari. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What are you
Tushar Kapoor
imagining?
such a-
Tushar Kapoor.
No, you deserve to last 3 seconds. Now you know, right? It's only for that fact.
Tushar Kapoor. How did he end up in our
Such a
conversation?
bad
anyway?
mental picture, बोलूं.
It does the
Yeah.
new law of
Yeah, new law of your
New law.
self-esteem.
New law. And then when we do it this time, we are just going to excel from one episode to another. We have that. We have an ability of Yusuf Pathan.
Yeah.
We
So,
can.
by the way, I remember. It's not my joke.
Man,
I'll
he's
quote
moved on
somebody.
from Tushar to Yusuf, man.
Yeah.
Seriously,
Why-
what's wrong? with
why-
you?
I told you,
You
did
know what?
Bholuna ask you to stay at his house today?
The thing is that
I know where this is all going, right?
No. So, I didn't finish
These are
my
the
line.
biggest
I didn't
flops.
finish my line.
I did not finish my line.
No, I didn't finish my line.
Okay, you finish.
Chalo.
Yusuf Pathan. Why I said Yusuf Pathan is that okay? The context is gone now. But then Yusuf Pathan has an ability to carry his form from one IPL to another. So I was just connecting two stories. But yeah, fuck you all.
Anyway, now coming back to what I was saying, who is the captain for the Pune team?
Angelo Matthews.
Angelo Matthews.
Okay, so I read a joke that they are going to sell him on OLX.com.
No, I read a joke.
Base day.
OLX, base day.
They ought to, yeah, seriously.
Fuck the auction में गए, तो OLX पे बेचेंगे.
OLX पे बेचेंगे.
And that's a better auction, I guess.
Yeah, that's a better. You know, I think they will trade him for a toaster.
No, just imagine someone telling Subrata Rao, "Hey, handsome."
And by the way, it's not Subrata Rao, it's Subrata Roy.
Yeah, Subrata. Oh yeah. Roy. Yeah. Who now? Seriously, who gives a fuck about Subrata Roy now?
Sebi.
Yeah, SEBI, absolutely. Who SEBI does? Okay, yeah. Do you know the share market?
Oh
the
yeah.
regulators.
Do you know what the fuck up that happened? Why is he going bankrupt?
Regulation Board of India.
Yeah, so basically, a lot of investors they invested in Sahara, and then later they didn't get their money back.
So the thing is that SEBI says that you don't have any records of these transactions that you have given the money
Basically,
back.
they're fake investors.
So I mean, we are
So it's
really
his
moving
money.
towards very sensible conversation, which is not something in line with.
Nathan Balak.
Yeah.
It's okay, you can talk sense.
No,
man.
we
It's
can
okay.
talk
We
sense.
can definitely
Yeah.
talk sense.
We are always ready for change.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I'm also wearing new underwear today. I haven't changed this in the last episode.
we
Change is inevitable.
No, I want to.
I hope at least you have taken off the tag.
Yeah.
I want to interact with the guest. So Saurabh, yes.
Yeah,
So
talk sense to us,
yes,
please.
Talk
Talk
sense.
And to our viewers.
And
Viewers.
listeners.
Listeners.
Yes. Now since we
No,
are on
YouTube.
yeah.
So they will
YouTube.
be-
Yeah,
viewers,
viewers.
listeners. Yeah.
Anyway, get on with it.
Yes. So tell us, how was your Nadan Balak journey? Now.
Nadan Balak.
Okay. So why are you taking your pants off?
We were only kidding.
Yeah. We were only kidding. Yeah. So okay. On a serious note, we want to grow. So please, Saurabh, tell us what is going wrong with us.
So you're growing after me taking your pants.
Yeah.
Why not?
So,
Yes.
Have you grown enough now?
No.
Okay.
What is
3
it?
seconds.
And
Okay.
this is the male version of Savitri. This is what's happening now.
No, I can understand 3 second का period खत्म भी होगा.
Yeah, it's over. It's over.
No, why are all the jokes in every episode on me? Why is
you're
no
the
one ever-
Bolu.
Because you're the Tushar Kapoor of audio cast.
Maya yo.
Maya, oh.
Oh fuck. Yeah.
बोलो है रे.
But yeah, since you said that it's not in context with Nadan Balak or what talking sense, I was telling you, one of my friends
Yeah.
told me that why don't you start talking sense, you know, so that the viewers will get their share of pathetic jokes that we steal. Actually, it's not in original. I'm kidding. Anyway, but you know, also our listeners will also get some news or some facts or whatever.
Yeah.
So I think you can be the trendsetter for Nadan Balak and
Yes.
talk some sense to our listeners.
Absolutely.
Why not?
So yeah.
So
Go on. Burp. That makes so much sense to me. Right?
burp makes
Your being here just makes so much sense.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah. After our 4th episode, Saurabh is a breath of fresh air.
Burp.
Burp of fresh air. Yeah.
Why fart and waste?
Why part?
So it is. What is going wrong with Nadan Balak? Why aren't we having listeners? Why aren't we having people? So Saurabh of course thought it would be safe to come on our podcast because nobody's going to give a fuck about this.
Yeah, seriously, man.
But now
Who the
my
hell
friends
cares
in
about
Australia are listening. They are
we-
paying attention.
You know, our first episode was 75 people.
Yeah.
Now we are 275.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's the progress. But yeah, let us know what is going wrong with us.
I don't
Oh, he's
think
quiet.
He's so quiet.
क्या बोलो अभी?
क्या?
Wrong.
ठीक है, we
You have
didn't.
to say
wrong-
something sensible, right?
Yeah. The only thing wrong is that we exist. Nadan Balak. Oh, that was deep. No.
Very mean, man.
That was mean. huh?
Very mean. Let's edit it for very.
No, I think
Kaichi law.
at
Let's
the
get
end of
Akshay
it-
Kumar to edit this.
Let's get Akshay Kumar mention.
Yeah, at the end of it, I think most of it would be edited anyways.
No, we don't edit.
We don't edit.
We've never edited.
We've never edited.
That's good. So yeah, I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong. I think it's just that it's matter of time.
Yes, absolutely.
I think we are growing.
Yes. We have
Thank you.
grown.
ना 200-250 कितना हुआ?
अभी 275.
275.
But do you see any progress in the podcast?
podcast. So I am here, so that's definitely a progress.
10 rupees इसको. Just start driving right now.
Yes.
10 rupees per.
So
पर
dude,
good comment.
seriously ऐसे यार opinions मत पूछा. I'm very इन्हें मेरे को फिर सोचना पड़ता है यार क्या बोलूं.
ठीक है, नहीं.
Exactly. Yeah. Let's not.
Let's talk about Sunny Leone then.
Yeah.
You really need to talk about her. Even
Yeah.
You can just hum about her.
Have you heard? Have you heard about a new movie Shootout at Wadala?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Wadalas
So
are.
there-
she's wearing a ghangra
So
choli
she
in
has
it and-
this song Laila Legi, and there are two versions of it. There's one adult version of it, and there's one normal version of
Adult
it.
version on what? On Pornhub? Is that kind of...
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is the adult version all
I'm
about.
not sure. I haven't seen it.
So in India,
So do you understand now? The shootout at Wadala, the Wadala they are referring to her
So
boobs.
yeah.
what are so
What
who's
are-
going to
it's
shoot
like
at it? What are they going to shoot at it? Who's going to shoot at it?
Even if you shoot at it, she's not gonna get hurt. They're all silicone.
yeah, it's going to bounce
No,
back
you know,
and
bounce
go
back.
up your ass.
Imagine Tushar Kapoor, John Abrams standing in the line shooting at it.
And Tushar, why the fuck is he even being cast? I mean, obviously Ekta.
No,
but
he
come
was.
on.
I probably think he was like running behind her. अरे Sunny Leon मुझे ले लेना है, ले लेना है,
Please,
यार,
Didi,
यार."
please, Didi.
Sunny Didi.
Yeah, which brings oh god. Thank God Mamta Banerjee उधर नहीं है.
Didi. Oh god, yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to really ask you, what's with you and your Didi, man? Seriously.
So basically, we find Mamta
Because
Banerjee very
she
hot.
very hot.
Very
We
hot,
are
yeah.
big fans of
Man,
Mamta Banerjee.
I'm going
in
out.
fact,
I'm getting out
no,
of here.
in fact, I'm such a big fan of Mamta Banerjee that I've started using my right hand to wash my ass because she hates left. So I started using my right hand.
That was a good one.
He-
That was a good one.
In fact, now I drive on the wrong side of it.
Everything is to the right now.
Everything is to the right. I hate left. Yeah. So no, actually we hate Mamta Banerjee.
He's also going to get a 5x5 poster of her
Of Mamta.
in his
Yeah.
bedroom. He's going to morph her face over Pamela's
You
Baywatch
never
poster.
know, dude. In 2014, she might become a prime minister and she might ban us the first thing.
Yeah.
So,
It's okay.
book Nadan Balak. They have been saying sexist jokes about me. Yeah.
Yeah, Varun, I'm wondering you having a inflatable doll of Mamta Banerjee.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Didi.
there are actually more chances of that happening, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, कब तक यार bean bag से काम चलेगा?
Thank you. Now that you know that I'm rich enough to have a bean bag.
Oh yeah. वो भी sale वाला.
There,
Sale
yeah.
वाला, yes.
वो भी sale वाला.
Yeah.
बहुत कम
That's
है.
also cheap, yeah.
Yeah, very cheap.
वो malnutrition लग रहा है.
Yes, very cheap. Now, हाँ, हो गया. After the last.
थर्मोकोल को थोड़े बाकी पूरा कॉटन एक्चुअली.
True. अभी उनका और सेल्फ एस्टीम मत कम करो उनका. Right. So I think that's all for tonight. We don't have.
Seriously?
anything. Are you sure?
Yeah,
You want to record more?
I want to record more.
You want to record more?
Because Saurabh was so silent today.
They've dragged me to this.
AJ, very happy today. AJ is going to be on the top of that. AJ, what's up? How are
Sunny
you?
Leon का topic लेके बंद नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
So
So,
go
seriously.
on. Sunny Leon.
So apparently there was this news कि Sunny Deol was very pissed off.
Sunny Deol.
Sunny Deol was.
Yeah,
Sunny Deol was. pissed.
people making jokes about Sunny Leon and Sunny Deol.
Yeah. I saw a meme on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
So,
Sunny
like,
Deol.
They were directors who were trying to cast them into one movie, but he refused because
my God.
that would create a huge number of jokes.
Imagine Sunny Leon and Sunny
Sunny
Deol in a
Deol.
porn movie. You know,
So it's like
No, it
ढाई
is
किलो
Sunny-
का हाथ putting to use.
the fisting.
नहीं, fuck the fisting. So it's like 2.5 kilo का हाथ versus 2.5 kilo के boobs.
Seriously.
And then she's so wiggling boobs over there.
Yeah, she's like yeah.
Eat this bitch.
Yeah. America
Oh, man.
Zindabad hoga.
I can really imagine that one. Seriously.
Yeah, but Sunny Deol is
Yeah,
coming
but
up with
actually the
a
fact
movie
is,
now.
if you know, if you read about her, she's never fucked anybody other than her husband on the videos too.
Oh yeah, and her husband happens to be a big time porn producer.
Yeah, that's how she got into it.
Yeah, and then he's very rich.
Obviously, I mean, it's so obvious.
Dude, I mean, I you know that is the problem with India. You don't have these kind of avenues
Liberated
for
women.
yes. I don't know avenues even for men. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't mind
Becoming a male prostitute.
Yeah, why not?
Male prostitute gigolo.
Jiggle.
Please inbox us for Varun's number and we'll send it to you.
No.
Yeah.
No.
He will come with that inflated doll, by the way.
Okay, write down my
So
number.
even moving down to the 7th podcast,
Yeah.
वो वरुण का जिगोलो वाला अभी तक चल रहा है.
Yeah. अरे बहुत famous हो गया.
Oh shit, we give out the name again.
It's okay.
चलेगा.
Everybody knows.
Everybody knows now who
Who's
the
Bholu?
fuck is Bholu.
Bolu.
Yeah. Pretty soon, I will just start writing
By the way,
Bholu the Jiggle.
I don't know. We've not announced this on the podcast. We just mentioned, but Nadan Balak, we're now going to make T-shirts.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So I've already got like about 3 or 4 requests.
Yes. And if there are any more losers out there
Yeah.
who want our t-shirts,
who want to be even closely associated with the public.
with us, yes, please let us know.
Publicly humiliated.
Publicly humiliated.
Yeah.
Because our humor is cheap.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Cheap humor. In fact,
The t-shirts are not cheap though.
Our t-shirts will display crocodile dick.
Yeah, if you're wondering how it looks like.
If you are wondering, so no need to go for National Geographic right now.
Oh god. Oh god.
And for your benefit, we'll put Tushar's face next to it.
Seriously, they would be thinking, अभी search करते रहेंगे यार Google पे.
Yeah.
How does it look like?
How does a crocodile dick look? Yes, that's an action item for you. Please, please search for.
And
search for-
please feel free to post it on our
post it on our page. We don't mind.
We don't mind.
Yeah, because we haven't seen a crocodile dick
Because
either.
sex education is necessary in our
Yes,
country.
absolutely, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I think that's all from us this time. And
Really, you really want to stop again?
Yes, I really
Look at Varun's face. Every time.
I mean, नहीं है उसको देखा बहुत हो रहा है.
Varun he gets very conscious once we cross 20 minutes.
Yeah,
yeah, because I feel.
बस 3 मिनट के ऊपर गया तो खत्म हो जाएगा.
Oh yeah,
20
3
मिनट
minutes.
The thing is that once we cross 20 minutes, I start wondering who would listen to us after the 20th minute. Yeah, because YouTube just tells us how many plays it has.
Correct.
It doesn't tell us how much time
I don't get it.
It is getting into the statistics
Yeah,
of it. Yeah,
statistics,
seriously.
yes. That's what happens to
This
you.
is where we talk sense.
This is where it makes sense.
Statistics.
Statistics. 48, 48, 48. Yeah.
That's mine. That's
For
what.
Sunny
that's
Leon, it
what
will be
it is.
statistics.
Statistics. Yeah. So let's chat to her and thank you very much.
Jai Sunny
Bring
Leon.
out my Vaseline.
Yes. And do you have a question to ask them like last time?
No, I just want to. They pondered on that question, but yeah.
You want to play a contest or something or what?
No.
No contest because we don't have. But we are giving out free chewing gums anyway.
Yeah, free chewing gums.
Oh,
Please let us
अभी
know.
तो किसको पहुंचा से chewing gum यार?
नहीं, but नहीं.
लेकिन कोई contest जीता ही नहीं.
It's a marketing gimmick.
Nobody fucking want. It's marketing gimmick. Yes.
It's a marketing gimmick,
Yes.
and but
In fact, Vortex managed to get 5 likes.
likes.
Just because of a status update. So Vortex just he had a status update which said, please like our page. We are giving out free chewing gums, and we had 5 likes.
can you believe that?
Can you
That's
believe
the
that?
power of a chewing gum.
That's
I mean,
the
who would have
No,
thought?
I thought that was cheap, but the people who liked they were more cheap.
Yes,
Seriously.
absolutely.
And the
This-
fact of the matter, you were one of the very few first likers on our page. And you are like their grandfather of cheapness. You
No,
like
that was just for the support. Guy.
he liked the page for the support.
In fact, I think he really hates us. He really hates our show. He's wondering why the fuck am I even here?
No, I was seriously while I was coming here, like a zillion kilometers away.
Yes.
I was wondering that. But
So
that's it.
you know why we are recording so far away, because we
Yeah, I mean,
abuse-
दुनिया के शोर शराबा से दूर.
Yes.
No, that's नहीं क्या low की नहीं क्या people trying to kill you or something.
Yeah, absolutely.
Come, that's-
That is the logic
Yeah,
behind it.
yeah.
Because see, we abuse
So
politicians.
Purana Khandar and all that
Yeah,
stuff.
we abuse people so
कौन
much.
आता है यहाँ पे?
We abuse politician, actors.
Yeah.
So we don't want to get booked. And even if we are getting booked, तो कोई यहाँ पे पुलिस तो
And
कोई आ
this
नहीं
area
सकती है.
is very secure. Nobody knows what Lohegaon is.
Okay, we are going. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
ये घर भेज दो.
ये घर बेच दो. मैं घर बेच रहा हूँ.
Okay. Saurabh, any final words?
Any final words?
Final words. अरे
Here's the list of words you cannot say. Or tell him the list of the words you cannot say.
You cannot
Adios.
say- adios. Okay, thank you, Saurabh. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure. And this is our goodbye from Vortex. No, Vortex तो खुद बोलेगा ना.
Vortex.
Vortex.
It's you need to bite the V. That's how you were taught.
Yeah.
After the sensible talks, you can change it to Cortex.
Yeah. Why not?
Seriously.
Cortex.
Okay, now we are just not talking sense. Thank you very much for listening. We'll be back with the 9th episode.
बंद करना है क्या? इतना जल्दी?
हाँ, बंद करना है. Fuck you all.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
बालक शौचालय के प्रयोग के बाद फ्लश करना मत भूलना।